Are you still a big believer in this market?
I would say I very much am a big believer. I think sentiment is bordering on the euphoric state, and when investors don't think they can get into trouble, they usually do. So I think we're vulnerable to a correction, but I view that as just a correction, not the beginning of a bear market. I think the year will end higher than it started, no matter what happens along the way.
And what's amazing, Byron, is that if you look into those 15 prior years, this would be the 16th, where we gained 2% in the first 5 days of the year and ended with an average gain of 18%. So it's always signaled a good year. There was, in most of those years, a pretty big drop. One of those years was 1987. Do you expect, or would you even welcome, some kind of a correction, 10% or more drop sometime this year?
Well, I definitely expect it. Welcome is a difficult word. I think the market needs to have some kind of correction. There are some excesses in it, and so I fully expect it to happen. But as I said earlier, I do expect the year to end higher than it started.
What are the biggest excesses that you see that you're referring to?
Well, the excesses are things like Bitcoin, the euphoric nature of individual investors, although that's tempered by the fact that there's some data on money outflows out of equities. But generally, we're pushing valuations up, and I also expect the fundamentals to change. While the economy is likely to do well with better than 3% growth, I think we'll see inflation and interest rates rising, and that's not generally good news for stocks.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.